Hello, my name is Martina and today I'm gonna show you how to make origami frogs. First, you need to have a paper. If you don't have one, turn on this video. Secondly, once you have a paper, it's supposed to be a square piece of paper, but if you don't have one, I'm gonna show you how to cut this rectangular paper into a square. So you have to fold it into a triangle and a small rectangle like this. Then after you cut out the rectangle part, it will turn into a square piece of paper.
So now I'm gonna share with you all the stuff to make origami fox. Fold the paper diagonally in half. Fold the paper diagonally in half again, this time from the top right corner to the bottom left corner, crease well. Unfold the paper. You should now see an X crease pattern. Next, fold the paper in half along the middle twice. Then unfold it and hold it so that it looks like a diamond. From the top edge of the diamond, fold a small triangle down so that the top edge touches the center of the paper. Flip the paper over and fold both edges of the diamond down towards the center, making sure to leave a small triangle visible at the top. Now take the right side and fold it over to the left so that the outer edge aligns with the edge of the small triangle. Unfold it and do the same on the left side, align it with the right edge of the small triangle. This part is kinda tricky, so focus. After making the creases, focus on the small triangle at the top. Fold this right edge inward so that it meets the top point. Then fold the entire shape in half and repeat the same step on the left side. Fold the whole shape downward and you should see an upside down triangle with a slightly tilted rectangle. If your paper looks like this, you're doing a really amazing job. To make the fox head, first, fold the tip of the upside down triangle towards the right edge, making sure they are parallel and forming a head shape on the right side. There should already be a crease here, so press it down nicely. Do the same on the other side. Now fold in the remaining unfolded parts of the head to shape the fox face. For the body, fold the rectangle under the head into a triangle and tuck the extra part inside. Now onto the tail, fold both sides of the tail upwards to create a crease first. Flip the fox over and carefully unfold the unfinished tail. This is the hardest part. If you fold it the wrong way, the tail won't take the shape properly. Reverse the three main creases of the tail completely to form a neat, finished tail. And there you have it. Your origami fox is complete.
So if you're still watching my video, good luck with your origami fox.
Vậy là cô ta không phải em đúng không? Chẳng cần nói cô nếu anh thấy cô ấy quan trọng. Giờ anh đi em không trách anh đâu, thật tâm những gì năm tháng yêu anh. Với em không hề